My home is embattled by desertification and drought, migration and conflict. Restoring the land is a matter of survival. It's up to us to create an African dream.
We're talking about revitalizing the ecosystem, the economy of communities and villages. The future generation will hold us accountable.
If people can't work their land, millions across the region will be forced to migrate.
Le convoyeur va te donner à un autre convoyeur. Tu es déjà vendu à ce convoyeur sans te rendre compte. J'ai eu 4 amis qui ont pris la balle.
رأي كم تجرينا من بقول زي زريا مدش بعدنا نصب عليه أجاكلنا بلوتاكين بتشا.
The Great Green Wall, it's not just about planting trees. It has to become a movement from the whole continent, from the whole world.